Everybody has their own journey. I had mine. You guys gonna have your own. The only key, if you want to go for litigation, is hard work. You are very lucky right now from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. अच्छी आ रही है ना? ऐसा कोई भी केस नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा लॉ पॉइंट मेरे हिसाब से अभी तक नहीं है मेरी छोटी सी करियर जर्नी में जो अभी तक डेल्ट विद नहीं हुआ है. आप लोगों के पास ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आपको उसकी बेटर रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे सको. You have extreme good guidance of Professor Akhil Jaitley, who's also my partner in my firm, and Madam Narula. She was also my professor when I was in my law school, first year. So you guys are in a dynamic field. Every day is a new learning. Just key to success is hard work. Everything you will find in our books, Supreme Court recent judgments, Delhi High Court verdicts on that, even District Court interpretation for the same. Everything is with you guys. So there is nothing to worry. बस बोलना आना चाहिए और सामने वाले को सुनाना आना चाहिए. That will keep you motivated also. And at end of the day, when you will succeed, that is the best motivation ever. So thank you all.